Go stand kind of by Cadence. You gotta get in there, okay?
It's cooking.
Come on, get inside the fire.
Caprice, are you gonna cook one?
It's afraid of the flames. Does I have to?
No, you don't.
It's called fireworks. I will. Ah! It's scary. I'm coming. Toys don't fly away. If you do, mean enough. Oh, is it Phoenix?
Stand in between.
Those little spark things touches you.
Uh-oh. Caprice, that's not gonna cook.
Oh, is that good? Not too much. Oh, that's good. Okay, am I done yet?
Girls, hold it. No. Girls, you'll know when it's...
Okay, how about someone tell me when I'm done? Is mine done? Sort of cooking.
Caprice, it's not done.
How about someone tell me when I'm done? I don't want it. Mom, can you tell me when it's done?
Mm-hmm.
It's tiring for my back. Well, I need a seat. No, I need a seat clean. Excuse me. I do it too. I try to sit. Well, time to cook this. So I just like stick it in like that.
Yeah, get it in there, man.
Like this.
Just like that. Good job. See how much? See how this one's already starting to cook, girls?
This one kind of
You
is.
kind of want it to look like that all over, okay?
Mine Daddy, you're really gonna eat too?
Well, I mean,
The fire's over there.
we'll see. Area like right in here too, okay? So see
Can
how
you
this
do it?
one's almost done already?
I don't want to. Why is mine not cooking?
So you okay?
Dad, can you do
Okay,
mine?
Quinny, come this way. Come over here. Come over
Dad,
here.
can you do mine?
Okay, if the fire's blowing that way, don't be there, okay?
Okay, well, that one I'm
Come over here by
Dad,
Caprice.
can you do mine? I have a toy to open.
Girls, you always want the fire to be blowing away from you, okay?
Yes.
Kalina, do you need me to finish it for you?
Here, go ahead and just give these.
To them?
Cut these.
I professionally cook this in the fire.
Oh, baby.
See if it's any good.
It is good. Well, it's hot right now.
Are you sure?
Because it was just in fire. We're making some s'mores. Okay, I put like the more. No, wait, I think there needs to be a bit more. Wait, hold on. Hey, Mom. Look, I'm gonna add double chocolate.
Oh, are you?
What about the chocolate? Just keep it right there.
Ew, don't touch it. It's very
I'm gonna
sticky.
break up the chocolate and try to put it all around the marshmallow. Get your chocolate. Here you go. Oh, you already got some? Here. Oh. Get the chocolate. I didn't double because I want double. Miss Moore doesn't. Stop it. I'm the first one. Well, that's because mine.
Can you do it?
Mine broke. I don't really want to eat this. I just made it for someone else because I don't really want it. I already know what they taste like. No, all it does is fall apart. Yeah, because the top one's too skinny. Yeah, what do you skinny?
If you want to try one that's super melty.
No.
I like to eat that part.
Yeah.
Do you want to try one like this? Okay, it's going to be hot, so let it cook.
Graham crackers good. Are we still going swimming tomorrow in the lake?
Yeah.
Maybe. Are we still doing those powder things?
I'm a baby with wait, how come nobody's videoing them?
Guys, look. It goes. I made a song and goes like, I'm a baby with a good hair. I'm gonna eat like this. I go hooshy waka wah. Mom, can you eat my s'mores? Can you?
You have to try a bite first.
I know.
I've been eating them.
I already ate a chocolate
marshmallow
piece.
could be a bit more tasty.
I ate a whole chocolate piece. Okay. Can you just eat it?
Is it good?
I don't know.
Well, try it.
Just eat it.
Take a bite.
I'm not the taster for like the queen.
Take a bite.
No, just eat it. He was a good hat. I'll go hoochie baka wah wah.